Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn grammar. So, dear students, all of you have to listen this sentence carefully. The four lawyers rode slowly. They heard a great fluttering over their heads. Soon the three lawyers stopped at a spring. In these sentences, the highlighted words are slowly, great, soon. Now I am going to explain the first sentence. The four lawyers rode slowly. Here highlighted words are slowly. Highlighted word is slowly. The four lawyers rode slowly here. Now I am going to ask the question to get the answer. How did the four lawyers ride? How did the four lawyers ride? Answer slowly. Slowly. So it is the adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is a word which give more information about the verb. How the four lawyers rode? The four lawyers rode slowly. Means how they moving on their horse. How they are moving on their horse. So it is how the four lawyers rode. The four lawyers rode slowly. So here slowly it is the adverb. Okay. Once again I am going to explain what is adverb. Adverb is a word which tells more information about verb or action. Okay. Today we are going to learn adverb and their types. Okay. Next sentence. They heard a great fluttering over their heads. Next sentence. They heard a great fluttering over their heads. They heard means these four lawyers they heard a great fluttering over their heads. A bird who is moving greatly moving, greatly fluttering over their heads. How was the bird moving? How was the bird fluttering? A great. Here great it is the adverb manner. So I am underlining this word. Next, soon the three lawyers stopped at a spring. How did the three lawyers stop at the spring? Soon, immediately. So, it is the adverb manner, soon. Soon, great, slowly. These are the adverb manners. This is the type of adverb. The highlighted words are the adverbs. These highlighted words, these underline or circle the words are called adverbs. Tells us more about verb. These words tells about the verb. Next, he held them gently. How did he held them? Abraham Lincoln held the birds, young ones, gently. So, we want to get the answer. We want to get the adverb. How did he hold them? Gently. So, gently it is the adverb manner. How did Abraham Lincoln pick up the birds? Gently. Okay, gently it is the adverb of manner. He put the birds back softly. How did he put the birds back? How did he put them back? Softly. So softly it is here. Adverb manners. These adverbs tells us how the action has done. Such adverbs are called adverb manner. Gently and softly. These adverbs are called adverb manner. Next type it is adverb place. Now I am reading the sentence. They heard a great fluttering over their heads. They heard. They means here the three lawyers heard a great fluttering over their heads. Where did a great fluttering? Where did these people heard a great fluttering over their heads? Here over it is the adverb. It shows the adverb place. Second, he looked up to find the nest from where they had fallen. He looked up to find the nest. He means here Abraham Lincoln, he was look up. Look up means he searching and find the nest from where they had fallen, where the birds has fallen down. So he was searching the place. He was searching the nest. Okay. He looked up to find the nest from where they had fallen. So where it is the adverb place. These adverbs tells us the where the action has done. Where the action has done. These adverbs are called adverb place or where. Next type it is adverb time. You must leave tomorrow. You must leave tomorrow. When you will or you must leave. You must leave tomorrow. So we have to search the adverb time. When you will leave. When you will leave tomorrow. You must leave tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb time. It shows the time when he will leaving. Next, she fed young boy yesterday. She fed. Someone is feeding the young baby or young boy. So yesterday it is that shows adverb time. Okay. This adverb tells us when the action has done. This word tells us action, when the action has done. Tomorrow, yesterday, today, or after some time. This word tells us when the action is done. Such adverbs are called adverb time. So students, let us do the exercise. Question A. Underline the adverb and write am. Am is for adverb manner. AP for adverb place and AT means adverb for adverb time. So we have to find out which sentence, which type of adverb. First, Rita sang sweetly. How did Rita sing? Tell me the answer. Rita sang sweetly. So sweetly it is here adverb manner. So I am writing here am. Next, Raju will go for his violin class tomorrow. Raju will go. Here tomorrow it shows the adverb time. So AT. Next, Mita felt cool breeze blow softly on her face. How did the cool breeze blow on Mita's face? Softly. So softly it is the adverb manner. So we have to write here am. We have to write am. Next. It is raining. Let us go inside. So inside it shows the adverb place. So I am underlining here. Inside it shows the adverb place. AP. Let us move. Fifth sentence. Dolly danced gracefully. How did Dolly dance? Gracefully. Gracefully, it is the adverb manner. So I am underlining here gracefully. Gracefully means in an attractively elegant way. Dance. She was dancing elegant way. So graceful it is the adverb manner. So we have to write here am. Next, 6th number. She has traveled everywhere. Where has she traveled? Where has she traveled? Everywhere. It is the adverb place. Everywhere it is the place. So it's called adverb place. AP. Next, 7 number. The old man was walking slowly. How was the old man walking slowly? So slowly it is the adverb manner. Next, the kittens are playing there. Where are the kittens playing? There. It shows there. It is the adverb place. So we have to write here adverb place AP. Okay.